Hello, let me show you how to translate your Trados file using your own glossary and also using your own instructions, and most importantly using the ChatGPT-5 translation engine. So let's get into it right now. So here I have my Trados file, which I would like to translate from English into Spanish using ChatGPT-5 Nano. And also using my own glossary and my own custom instructions. So what I can do now is to close this file by clicking this cross here or by just pressing Ctrl plus F4. So let's do that. And I would need to open the target file. So this I can do by right-clicking my file and choosing Explore Containing Folder. So my file is here. Now I can minimize Trados, and I can go to Bohemicus, where I would need to make some settings. So first of all, let's specify the source language, which we will specify here. So that will be English. I can simply type on my keyboard, just like 2 or 3 first letters, and the language will be chosen. So the same with Spanish, so I type SPA for Spanish, that's here. And I would also need to specify ChatGPT as my translation engine, so click this. And also, I want to specify the ChatGPT-5 Nano variant, so this I can do by clicking the Settings cogwheel button here. So that's this. And I would simply choose GPT-5 Nano from the menu. But also, I want to specify my glossary. So let's go to this glossary tab. And let's go to my Excel file where I have already prepared my glossary. That's here. And now I can simply select all the glossary entries I wish to use during my translation. So I just select it like this. And I would need to copy it into clipboard, so I can just press Ctrl plus C. And let's go back to Bohemicus, to this ChatGPT settings box, and let's paste it here by pressing Ctrl plus V, like this. And also, apart from this, I would like to specify my custom instructions that will be used during translation. So I can do that here on this instruction tab. And as you can see, I already have one instruction here, just use formal voice. But I could change this, I could add my own instructions. You can do whatever you like, so it's up to you. And once you have done all of these settings, so click Save. Okay, so now everything is set up, so we can go to this Trados/cats tab here, and we can simply drag and drop our Trados file from the target folder right onto Bohemicus. You could also do it by clicking this Open Folder button here, but I think drag and dropping is faster and easier. Also, the last thing you might want to do is to check this Overwrite existing text. That's in case, if you go back to Trados, that's in case that something is already translated and you wish to overwrite it. So that's when you would click this Overwrite existing text option. You could also specify that you would like to overwrite draft segments or 100% segments or context matches or confer segments, or even you can overwrite log segments. But for the sake of this video, let's deselect everything. And okay, now we're set up. So let's click this Translate button to translate our text. Okay, so our file has been successfully translated into Spanish, so we can close this window and we can go back to Trados to just quickly check if it has been really translated. So let's double click our file And as you can see, everything is translated now using my own glossary and following my own custom instructions. So this is how you use Bohemicus and ChatGPT-5 and your own glossary to quickly translate your Trados files. Thank you for watching and see you in another video.